to buy some bread and jam. This little piggy stayed at home and played with Uncle Sam. This little piggy had roast beef. He gobbled it with glee. This little piggy had none at all. He sipped a cup of tea. This little piggy danced all night with ribbons bright and red. This little piggy read a book while snuggled up in bed.
This little piggy painted walls in colors bright and new. This little piggy splashed in mud and made a puddle too.
This little piggy built a cart to ride along the lane. This little piggy flew a kite up high through sun and rain. This little piggy sang a song so cheerful, sweet and loud. This little piggy clapped his hooves and drew a happy crowd.
This little piggy found a pear and shared it with his friend.
This just for you.
This little piggy told a joke that never seemed to end.
This little piggy made a cake with sugar, milk and cream. This little piggy licked the spoon and grinned with eyes that gleam.
How plump the cream is
This
getting.
little piggy hugged his mom
So sweet.
and snuggled close and tight. This little piggy said, "Good day," and whispered, "Sleep tonight."
Look out,
5 little piggies, one by one, with stories full of cheer. They play and laugh and sing and dance all through the happy year.